Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and this is episode number 2 of Mannequin Styling. All right, now remember, all the styles that I show you on this mannequin head, you can do on your own hair. Now, when I first bought this mannequin head, when I pulled her out of the box, this is the style that we did. We didn't use any products, any hairspray, no heat. We didn't use anything, y'all. We just wanted to see how she was going to style. So we styled her hair like this, and now I am going to take her down so we can start on the second style that I will be showing you on Mannequin Head Monday. Now I'm going to tell you right now, this is one of the ways that I was able to grow my hair out long. These easy, simple styles that I will be showing you on this mannequin head, anyone can do on their own head. So I am going to straighten out her hair, take her hair down, and we are going to start on the next style. All right, we have her taken down and she looked like this. And we are simply going to part her hair from ear to ear. Now, when I show you these hairstyles, you all, I'm just showing you how quick they are. These hairstyles are not difficult, and if you're trying to grow your hair out or give your hair a break, then you need to really pay attention to all of these episodes that I will be bringing you. Now, she is parted from ear to ear, and it looks like this, okay? Now, at this point, you can decide what you want to do with the front. You can either rod it, twist it, braid it, use a hot comb to curl it up. Whatever you want to do in the front, this is the time to decide. But like I told you before, I am just going to show you a quick and easy way that you could put your hair up, y'all, and give your hair a break. Now, while I am showing you all these styles, I want to let you know that we will be having Mannequin Head Mondays, so you can see just how simple it is to style your hair. So what we are going to do, where we part the hair off, we are going to pin that hair back. Now, this is one of the reasons why my hair grew so fast with these styles, because y'all, you do not have to use all of your hair to style your hair and make your hair pretty. All right, we just pulling the hair back like that. We using some Dollar Tree, y'all, some Dollar Tree hairspray. Yes, we are. And we're just smoothing it into place. Okay. Now, y'all, this is the perfect time for you to hit that subscribe, hype the video, and leave a comment. Because if there's any hairstyles that you would like for me to show you, an easy way to do them, leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. Now, I want to thank you guys for coming by, spending this time with me. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing. And to all of my ride or dies, hey, y'all, what's up? Now, y'all know I be reading y'all comments, and this is one of the reasons why I am styling this mannequin head like I am styling her today, because it's easy, simple, and quick. Now, we are going to put the last ponytail in her hair, and it's going to look like this. All right. Now, since we have 3 ponytails in the back of her hair, what we are going to do, we are just going to tease this hair. We're going to tease it. Now, for all of you who really want to make this simple, and if this is a style that you're going to be doing, they have a comb that does tease hair really easy and quick. So go get you a teasing comb. Now here I am just balling up the teased hair, and I am going to pin it down. But once you get really, really good with this, you all, you can hold this hair while you are styling it. Okay? Look at that. So now if you notice, you all, I haven't put any heat to this hair. Haven't put any heat to the hair, and we are styling away. Now what we are going to do is comb the hair all the way up. All right? We're going to comb it all the way up, and we're going to cover that teased hair. Like I said before, I am just showing y'all simple and easy styles. Really, you don't even have to be neat with these styles, because there are so many different ways to cover your imperfections. So what I am doing here is smoothing and pinning, smoothing and pinning. And that's all we are going to do to the back. And I was able, you all, to do my hair like this. So I would like to know, if you all are going to try this style, let me know how it turned out for you. And if you had any difficulty putting this style in your hair, let me know, and then I will give you a different way that you can put this style in your hair. All right, so we almost got all of the hair smoothed up in there, you all, and we are just pinning it down. All right, it should look like this. So now what we are going to do, we are going to take a little bit of hairspray, and we're just going to spray the hair lightly, and we're just going to comb it into place. If you notice, you all, we did not use any heat on the back of our hair, and we only used a little hairspray, and it should look like this. Now the top, y'all, we could go ham on the top. We can rod this hair. We can twist this hair. We can put braids in this hair. It's just, we can hot curl this hair. You can feather this hair. And I am going to show you all a way that you can achieve feathers in your hair without cutting it. So to keep this style so simple and neat and easy, you all, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I am going to do with the top of her hair. But it's up to you to put your foot in your style. Well, like always, y'all, I have really enjoyed showing you these easy hairstyles. I will be coming back every Monday showing you Mannequin Head Monday. All right? Now it's up to you to put your foot in it, but let me show you another little touch if you're sloppy with the pins. You can get a braid and make sure that the braid matches your hair, but this is the color of my hair and I was using this braid for a different style. So I am showing you why you don't have to be neat with the pins. You can get you some synthetic hair, make a braid, and go across where you put those pins in. Well, I absolutely love the style. It's quick and easy, and it is a great protective style. So this is the way the hair looks. All right, guys, well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this video has helped you in any way, y'all know what to do. Comment, like, subscribe, and share, and hype the videos, guys. I am going to keep bringing you hairstyles that you can do on your own hair that don't take a lot of work, don't take a lot of product, if any, and they are so easy and simple. Just keep leaving in the comment section down below what you all would like to see or anything that I can help you out with your own hair. All right. So we do hair over here on Regina TV, but y'all do know I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Now over there, y'all, we do fashion shows, walk the weight off, facials, home decor, sales that I find, everything else that I love to do, especially the hacks. Y'all gonna love the hacks. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. So support both channels by commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing. So until next time, guys, take care of yourself as well as your hair, and I'll see you in episode number 3 of Mannequin Styling. See you later.